Here we go, the 2020 club car, Tempoe. Now this one here, it's got the LED lights installed. You got your custom 10-inch rim on this bad boy, white and black. Now it does have Trojan batteries. They are, again, going to be a handful of years old. They are original batteries. And then again, this is a 2020 golf cart, okay? Great shape, great working shape. It also has the nice flip seat on the back. This is a 4-seater. Obviously, we've got the flip seat here, and then we can go ahead and stick your cooler on the back. You've got some storage underneath as well. And then check this out. Once again, you've got your rear tail lights here and your charger. So it comes with the charger. And once again, we ship these nationwide right to your front door. So you give us a call today, 866-606-3991. 48-volt electric club car made right here in the USA. Guys and gals, you're looking for one, you call us up. We've got them. Cup holders, you got storage in the front. You can play golf. Check it out right here. Stick your pencil right there. And easy to drive. Just foot right on the gas and go. And by the way, you want the windshield? Not a problem. You can add that to your order today as well. And this one here, simple and easy to ship all across the entire nation, California, Florida, Texas, Georgia. We ship them on a car carrier, auto transport.